In this daily drop, it's a trip to the ER and family first, so let's go. Okay, everybody, I don't know how to start or end this episode. It's going to be a single take, but life throws what we call here in the States curveballs, baseball analogy, and today was one of those days. It is Sunday here in the barn, and the day is almost over. And I took my son to a 2-game club basketball tournament. And unbeknownst to me, because he is a tough kid, he pretty significantly injured himself in the first game. Went straight into a second game, and about 3/4 of the way through the first half of that game, he went to the bench, and I realized he was very hurt. So got him out of there, headed to a hospital nearby, and went into the emergency room. Have I ever said that the healthcare system in the U.S. is a little broken? It's a mess. I think we were in there for a total of 30 minutes, start to finish. Some x-rays, doctor coming in, determining he did not actually dislocate his shoulder, and sent us away with a prescription for muscle relaxers. And that, with our discount with health insurance, was close to $1,000. It's absolutely bonkers. But that's not what the episode is about. He's fine. He's resting. And what I want to talk about is the idea behind family first. I'm no Tony Robbins. I'm not going to give you great advice about life, but the one thing that I personally subscribe to is family first. So no matter what's happening in life, no matter what's going on, family first all the time. It's sort of similar to that crew mentality, which is crew first. Yes, you have to take care of your client, but if you're not taking care of the people who are working with you, then that's a problem. So I just want to remind you that that's the most important thing. Your family, your close friends, this work thing is great if you love what you do for a living. But if that's not taken care of, then that to me is a problem. And I always feel like, for instance, when my kids were growing up, it was a non-compromise when major things were going on in their personal lives. They may not be big things to me or my wife as parents, though they really are. But when they have that ballet performance or a recital or a game, it's those moments that actually mean so much to your children, to your family, that you're there, that's really, to me, what family first means. So sure, if you're talking to your kids and they're teenagers and you have to go on a business trip and you're going to make a lot of money, and the takeaway from that is going to be we can go on a special vacation, but they missed having you at some major event, maybe that's different. But family first always. And thankfully, we're lucky. He's fine. And the things that have happened to us in the past with my children, they're fine. So this is part of life, and you just keep going. So just a quick episode about that. Back with more gear stuff and things like that tomorrow. It's going to be a beast of a week for me. I've got 9 episodes of the Daily Drop to now crank out in this coming week because I'm going to be away for production. But again, that's the way it goes. Don't forget family first, and don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.